So here you have salted caramel.
The first thing I could taste. So now my favorite part of this dinner, and Pia is also excited with me. The Mexican iconic dessert churros, one of the best sellers there.
Everyone's favorite.
Oh, and it comes with a Mexican twist as well.
Yes. Since we're celebrating Mexico, so this is our way of celebrating Mexico.
Okay, so
So this is how we celebrate Mexico.
So churros, they're served with the salted caramel.
Okay, so three types of
Yeah,
chocolates you
and
have: the
they got
salted
dark
caramel.
chocolate and the white chocolate.
so here you have salted caramel. Here you have dark chocolate, which one we are using the Calabo, and here is the white compound chocolate.
White compound chocolate. Pia, you were telling me something about this white compound chocolate.
No, this
Yeah,
dark
this
chocolate.
one.
It's a very special
So
chocolate.
here we are using the chocolate Calabo, which is 54%.
Dark
So there's
chocolate.
54% of dark. One of the darkest chocolates in
But
Delhi.
it tastes the best because it's very good quality chocolate,
So
and
not-
even the
not
salt
too
caramel
bitter and not too sweet.
sweet.
ना ज़्यादा कड़वी ना ज़्यादा मीठी.
so
Dark
there is a-
chocolate
yeah,
का.
so
And
all
the
the
salted
chocolate-
caramel is also made in house.
So salted caramel is also made in house. And what about the white chocolate?
all made in house, but this one we made from the scratch. This is you get a chocolate chips and we made the convert in the sauce.
Got it, got it. So कितना परसेंट बता रहा?
54%.
54% से ही शुरू करेंगे.
Yeah.
And we also have a white chocolate and chili ice cream, which
Okay.
you only get at Mestizo. So it has a twist
Just
again.
dip it.
So
You can
it's-
just dip it
So
in
it's
the
not
sauce
just
and,
sweet;
yeah.
it has a punch after your first bite because it's actually the chili bits inside. The
the
white
chili bits in its kind, chili and sweet एक साथ.
Yes.
This is a very unique thing.
Yes.
I'm definitely gonna try that. But churros are favorite. Please go ahead. No.
You should try with the salted caramel also.
Super duper soft. Yeah, what's the secret behind a good churro? Good churro. What's the secret behind a good churro?
You can't make anything best without the love.
Everything is made with love here, so that's why you've liked everything.
And one thing you might agree with me, churros से जो Indian मिठाई होती है, specifically जो desert होता है,
100%.
it matches a lot
Lot.
of it.
And I think why all of us like it is because it's fried and sweet, and everyone loves fried food in India and anything that's sweet. So it's like a mixture of both.
I'll compare it with something called as balushai, if you might know. That
No.
also has this similar texture. And वही जो starting से end तक Indian और Mexican, Latin American foods के बीच में parallel draw कर रहे थे, from starters of papad और या desert हो churro,
हर चीज में कुछ ना कुछ similarity
कुछ ना कुछ similarity है. So guys, now I think it's time for you to try authentic cuisine, authentic Mexican, Latin American.
And we have
cuisine.
something for you as well to celebrate Mexico and Latin cuisine.
मीठे में तीखा. That's what's different here. It's an authentic experience. You must try. And let's see what surprise they have for me.